Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk rename Google Groups with xFanatical foresight. Renaming Google Groups one by one in Google Workspace is slow, error-prone, and inefficient, especially during organizational changes or when managing groups across subdomains. That's where xFanatical foresight comes in. With xFanatical foresight automation, admins can bulk rename Google Groups in just a few clicks, saving time, ensuring consistency, and maintaining data integrity. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, admin needs to extract the list of Google Groups from the Google Workspace. Then the list will be uploaded to the automation rule to rename Google Groups in bulk. The template has two rules. Rule 1 lists and exports Google Groups to a CSV file, including the group email and group name. Admins needs to edit the CSV file to keep only the Google Groups they want to rename. Rule 2 takes the extracted and edited CSV file from Rule 1 as input and bulk renames the Google Groups listed in the file. Rule 1 exports Google Groups to a CSV file. Sign into xFanatical foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Rename Google Groups template and click it. In the Bulk Rename Google Groups page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Rename Google Groups will display. Click Next and then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2 Bulk Rename Google Groups. Go back to the Templates page. Search Bulk Delete Google Groups template and click it. In the Bulk Delete Google Groups page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next and then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to the Rules page. Find the copy of Export Google Groups rule and click on the Play button. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. Download the Google Groups CSV file by clicking the Here button in the log screen. Edit the CSV file to keep only the groups you want to rename and update their names in the name column. Now go to the Rules page. Find the copy of Bulk Rename Google Groups rule. Click the Upload button and select the CSV you edited. Wait until you receive notification. Click the notification icon and click on View Log button. In the log screen, you can see the CSV file name and renamed group email and group name. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.